welcome back YouTube. Start off, the channel is continuing to grow. I've picked up a couple more subscribers. Welcome to the channel. We've got the Alice Chalmers in the paint room. I've already got the wheels and tires off of it because I decided to do it this way. Of course, I got to do extra cleaning in the paint room, but besides sanding it over there and then bringing it over here and taking the tires off and finish sanding it, I figured I'd just do it all here at once and be done with it. So we'll walk around and take a look at it. There's not much left of the tractor. It's amazing, isn't it? Anyway, I've got a couple things I want to take off still, but I've got to get a socket for this. This is 1 5/8 inch, and the big as I have is 1.5 inches. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to take the steering arm off of it as well, but not right now. I'm going to go ahead and start prepping the tractor for paint. So this video is going to be multiple pieces to make up one video. So I just want to let you know this is where I'm at, or let you see this is where I'm at, and we're about to get started on this. I've got to do the spin out rims. Those locking tabs on there are frozen. I mean frozen. So I'm going to soak them really good with penetrating fluid, and hopefully they'll break loose tomorrow with the impact so I can do the center hubs, get them up there and get them sandblasted so they can be painted. Well, anyway, that's it for the first part of this video. So stay tuned for the rest, and once again, welcome to the channel for my new subscribers, and stay tuned for the next one. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. It's Wednesday before Thanksgiving, and I've got it sanded and it's in primer. So I'm going to just lightly sand the tractor itself, a few parts on the tree, and then I've got a few parts over here that just need to be lightly sanded, and then they're ready for paint. My goal is to get it painted today. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and I plan on eating turkey and getting fat. So anyway, I'm going to pause the video from here and keep your fingers crossed. I'll have it painted today before I go home. So thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned to see the Alice Chalmers painted orange. All right, welcome back. It's a little bit later on the same day. And there it is. It is AC orange. Looks really good. I'm happy with it. It's got a nice shine to it. Everything covered really well. Didn't have any problems with adhesion. You would imagine that with all the grease that's on the tractor, you would have a problem with paint sticking, but I cleaned it 3 times before I started spraying paint. So we've got good adhesion, looks good. So we're going to call this part of the tractor done. I can start putting some of the front end back together, like the radiator and stuff. I still have to do the rims, and then I can get it off the stands and put it back on. I have a few other things to paint, and well, sandblast and then paint. So we are closer than we were to begin with, but it looks good. Pictures have already been sent to the owner, and he is really happy. So anyway, that's it. We're going to continue to move forward with the tractor. I'd like to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you in the next video.